Hi everyone, it's Clyde here, and this week's wealth video is about how to prepare for share market falls. So a lot of people are nervous when it comes to the share market because when they invest, the share market falls, they're afraid to lose all their money. And look, I totally understand that. However, there are a few things that you can do to minimize the risk, to prepare for share market falls. So, the first thing that you can do is buy quality companies. So you want to invest in quality companies, companies that have stood the test of time, companies that have gone through crashes, recovered, and grown even more. Companies that, irrespective when the markets rise, when the markets fall, will continue to produce goods and services. Consumers will continually buy their goods and services. They're the companies that you want to invest in. It's these quality companies. Buying quality companies will help you prepare when share market falls. The second thing that you can do is diversify. What I mean by that is not putting your eggs all in the one basket. Invest across different types of investments. So invest in shares, invest in property, invest in cash, invest in term deposits, invest in bonds. Whatever it is, invest or diversify so you're spreading the risk. If you just invest in the share market, if the share market was to fall and you don't have other investments in other asset classes, as we say, then your risk is a lot greater. So by diversifying, if one asset class is not performing, more than likely another asset class is. So that's why diversifying your investments is key. And finally, the third thing that you can do to prepare for share market falls is never borrow too much in your portfolio. See, some people borrow money to invest, and there's nothing wrong with that. However, when markets are doing exceptionally well, they will do exceptionally well. When markets aren't doing exceptionally well, the risk is even greater. See, when markets aren't, if you have too much debts, the risk is that you may be forced to sell your investments to pay off that debt. And if the investments doesn't cover that debt, then you are liable. So that's why you need to watch out, or you need to be mindful of the total debt that you have in your portfolio, because you don't want to be overly geared, or you don't want to have too much debt, and that's really important. So they're my 3 tips on how to prepare for share market falls. Number 1 is buy quality companies. Number 2, diversify. And finally, number 3, be mindful of your debt levels in your portfolio. If you have any questions with anything in this video, I'd love to hear them. Write your comments below. If you would like to get started in the share market, or if you like to start investing and you need some guidance, I'm more than happy to help you as well. Leave your comments below and I'll get in contact with you. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.